So for an agenda for today, we are going to go over some quick introductions. We'll be going over the fundamentals of the Power Platform and addressing any questions at the end of the session. My name is Jessica Brewer, and I am a CRM consultant for CRM Dynamics, an HSO company. And I am so pleased to be talking to you all today about the Microsoft Power Platform. On the line with me today is Angelina Jacobs, the Consulting Manager for CRM Dynamics, an HSO company. She will be here to assist in answering any questions that come up during the presentation. So here we go into the presentation itself. Microsoft is frequently updating its products to be more useful and provide deeper and simpler solutioning for its users, with the common goal of giving businesses the power in-house to fully adapt to the ever-evolving world of technology and ensuring efficiency that fits your organization's business level goals. One of the most talk-worthy releases from Microsoft is the Microsoft Power Platform, which we'll be discussing today. The platform is a blend of products that provides the means to automate, surface, manipulate, analyze, and disperse data for your organization's functions. With that said, let's get started. The Microsoft Power Platform is more than the sum of its parts. By providing a bundled suite of 4 integrated programs that can be used to build end-to-end business solutions by ease of connecting these programs together alongside Office 365, Dynamics 365, Azure, and multitude of other applications. It allows for a unified data schema, making it possible for users and services with their applications to interoperate. Traditionally speaking, an organization's technical team would be responsible for automations and creating apps as well as analyzing data. Due to this, it is a frequent pattern that the IT teams are overwhelmed with requests for solutions to be provided to various departments, creating a lag in operational efficiency. The Power Platform eases these restraints by providing non-tech experts to also have access to their digital information and empower them to innovate without any coding knowledge and without the concern of queued requests for their IT team. The 4 platforms that make all of this possible are Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. Speaking to the first application being Power BI, it is a collective name for an assortment of cloud-based apps and services that greatly assist organizations to collect, manage, transform, analyze, and model data. Similarly to Excel, but Power BI adds the ability to present and share any kind of data through rich interactive visuals in reports and dashboards through a user-friendly interface with advanced support of AI to generate a more informed data presentation. The application works with whatever data you tell it to, so you can report on any data that the organization has access to. Not only are you in control of the data inputted into the system and who has access to it, but you'll also be pleased to know that your streamlined data updates in real time, providing your business the ability to make informed and time-sensitive decisions based on the various data metrics that matter most to you. Power BI connects to a wide variety of data sources, from basic Excel spreadsheets to extensive custom databases, and both cloud-based and on-premise apps, ensuring your data has a 360 viewpoint in one easy-to-use and visually appealing system. The platform is infused with machine learning capabilities, meaning that it can determine patterns in data and use those patterns to make informed predictions and run future scenarios. Those estimates allow users to generate forecasts and prepare themselves to meet future demands and other key metrics. The product itself is made up of several applications, including Power Query, which is a data connection tool, Power Pivot, being a data modeling tool, Power View, and Power Map, which both are data visualization tools, Power Map being a 3D modeling based on geographical data. They're both used to generate interactive charts, graphs, maps, and other visuals. And of course, Power Q&A, which is a question and answer engine that lets you ask questions about your data in plain language. Being as Power BI is built on the foundation of Microsoft Excel, you and your team will find the learning curve from Excel to Power BI fairly minimal, which is one of the benefits of the utilization of Power BI. being that it is widely adopted across multiple departments organization-wide. There are a handful of versions of Power BI to choose from, depending on your budget, needs, and how you envision yourself deploying it. These versions include a Windows desktop application called Power BI Desktop, an online SaaS service called Power BI Service with both a Pro and Premium option, a mobile Power BI app available for iOS and Android phones and tablets, or an on-premise version known as Power BI Report Server. There's also a white label service for software developers known as Power BI Embedded. For more information on Power BI version options, please reach out to myself or my team after the presentation. For organizations who want more reporting power and analytical abilities than is currently offered by Excel, Power BI is the industry-leading next level of business intelligence. With this powerful application, your business will have the in-house ability to truly strategize with tangible data supporting your decisions. With Power BI, you're able to take advantage of the latest advances in Microsoft AI to help non-data experts prepare data, build machine learning models, and find insights quickly from structured and unstructured data, including enticing dashboards, charts, images, and text. You can easily pivot in your business with Power BI by turning your data into insights, and in turn shifting those insights into clear, defined actions within your Microsoft Power Platform. By combining Power BI with Power Apps and Power Automate, you can easily build business applications and automate your workflows, saving your team time to focus on what's truly important. You're able to see your business analytics in real time, so you know what's happening at this exact moment and what may happen in the future, not just what's happened in the past. From factory sensors to social media sources, you'll have access to real-time analytics, so you're always ready to make the most informed and timely decisions. And last but not least, you can turn your data into a competitive advantage by using Power BI and Azure together to connect, combine, and analyze your entire data real estate with the ability to quickly identify differences and move content from development and testing to production with confidence using the simple visual cues in your BI deployment pipeline. The second application we're speaking to is Power Apps. Power Apps is a suite of apps, services, and connectors, as well as a data platform that provides a rapid development environment to build custom applications for your business needs. Being the only solution of its kind that brings together low-code and no-code app development, self-service analytics, and automations into a single cohesive platform. It is an initiative by Microsoft to let you quickly build and share powerful low-code applications with rapid development based on your business requirements. This means you can easily release custom business apps that connect to your business data. Apps built using Power Apps provide rich business logic and workflow capabilities to transform your manual business operations into digital automated processes. What's more, apps built using Power Apps have a responsive design and can run seamlessly in browser and on mobile devices. Power Apps democratizes the business app building experience by enabling users to create feature-rich custom business apps without writing code. Power Apps at its core is a platform as a service that enables you to create applications that run on any mobile device or browser with an intuitive drag and drop functionality, complete with connections to various Microsoft-based and third-party applications, including but not limited to SharePoint, the SQL Server, OneDrive, Google Docs, Dropbox, and Dynamics CRM. With Power Apps, your application creation is facilitated by offering various templates to get you started, connectors to integrate with your app, and third-party apps for business users. Of course, it also provides an extensible platform that lets professional developers programmatically interact with data and metadata, apply business logic, create custom connectors, and integrate with external data as well. Power Apps is a high productivity development platform for business apps with 4 major components. Canvas apps, which start you off by building your user experience. You do this by crafting a highly tailored interface on a blank canvas and connecting it to your choice of more than 200 data sources. Canvas apps can be built for mobile, web, and tablet applications. Canvas Apps also gives you the flexibility to design the user experience and interface the way that makes the most sense for your users. These apps are built in the Power Apps Studio, and the Studio makes creating apps feel similar to building a slide deck in Microsoft PowerPoint. Model-driven apps is another foundation where you start with your data model, so they build up from the shape of your core business data and processes in the Dataverse to model forms, views, and various other components. Model-driven apps will generate a great user interface that is responsive across all devices. There is a custom page preview, which is a new page type hosted on the Canvas app. It can be added into new or existing model-driven apps, allowing for the power and flexibility of a Canvas app experience within the model-driven app. Model-driven apps are built in the App Designer, which lets you define the sitemap and add components you need to build the app the way you want it. Portals are the next major component of Power Apps. Portal assists you in creating external-facing websites that allow external users to sign in with a variety of identities, create and view data in the Dataverse, or even browse content anonymously. To build your portal, Microsoft has the Power Apps Portal Studio, which is a design tool to add and configure web pages, components, forms, and lists. Last but not least is the Microsoft Dataverse. The Dataverse is a data platform that comes with your Power Apps and allows you to store and model your business data. It's the platform on which Dynamics 365 apps are built. The Dataverse allows you to securely store and manage your data within a set of standard and custom tables where you can add columns to those tables when you need them. If you're already using Dynamics 365, then your data already exists in the Dataverse. With Power Apps, you're taking control of the content that is displayed to your external and internal users, ensuring in-house innovation is no longer just a thought of maybe one day, but rather an action item for tomorrow. With Power Apps, you can look forward to many features, including, but of course not limited to, enabling your business to innovate with a broad range of app scenarios that provide digital transformation for your business. Empower everyone on your team to collectively innovate in solutioning business-level problems with Power Apps, an innovative non-code tool. Build highly tailored applications by designing your user's experience with Power Apps and then customizing every detail of your app to optimize for specific tasks and roles. Create sophisticated apps from your data by beginning with your data model and business processes to automatically generate immersive, responsive applications that can run on any device. Unlock your data, integrate your model-driven forms, views, charts, and embed your Power BI reports or dashboards, all to create a low-code portal for external users. And of course, take advantage of more than those 200 connectors to integrate your data and systems that you already use to extend your Power Apps further. With the increase of technological trends and advanced tools, it has increasingly become of high importance to find simple programs that will empower your team to boost their efficiency and provide time to focus on what really matters to your organization. Power Automate provides you with just that, a simple interface to automate a variety of tasks, giving your team more hours in the workday to invest their time into what really matters. The intent is to make our everyday lives easier with specially created automated workflows. Power Automate should streamline our day-to-day work efforts, relieve us of mundane routine tasks, and assist us in saving time. When speaking to automation, people often think of high-tech driven artificial intelligence or complex development to complete numerous tasks. But on a more simplified scale, automation is a process or activity that requires minimal human effort for completion. Power Automate is an application built by Microsoft and hosted on the Power Platform that automates a variety of daily workflows. This includes, but is not limited to, auto-synchronization of your applications, collection of data, auto-sending notifications to your team, approvals, and so much more in an efficient and seamless manner. For example, a simple function to build would be email notifications. Of course, we all rely heavily on our emails for internal and external communications, but if there is a specific group of individuals or a pressing project that needs closer hands-on, you can simply set up a workflow in Power Automate to notify you via SMS when an email is received from those individuals, ensuring your prompt attention and an influx of incoming communications. Automations are based on the building blocks of flows, and within the system, there are 3 types of flows. Cloud flows, which allow you to automate workflows between modern or API cloud-based services. Desktop flows, which allow you to automate workflows between modern or API cloud-based services and legacy or non-API systems. And business flows, which allow you to automate multi-step guided processes. These flows assist you with streamlining your organization's processes and remove the need for repetitive tasks. Your automations will run on a defined condition and trigger point, further built with an associated action to the trigger in a seamless, easy-to-use builder. As with all applications in the Power Platform, you will find Power Automate to be extremely user-friendly and intuitive in operation. To assist you in this, you have the option to build an automation from scratch or use one of Microsoft's provided automation templates. You're even provided with an interactive guided learning option within the application itself to ensure self-sufficiency for your team. Microsoft Power Automate also integrates with Microsoft programs such as Excel, Outlook, OneDrive, Dynamics 365. All you need to do within Power Automate is register the programs. To further your use of the program, there are plenty of third-party integrations available as well, such as Twitter, Dropbox, and Google Drive, for example. With Power Automate, you can streamline how you work, standardize your processes, and reduce human errors. Rest assured knowing that your workflow automations are more secure and compliant across your organization with built-in governance and data loss prevention policies. With Power Automate, you can look forward to empowering your team to build automated processes with flows. You can do this using low-code drag-and-drop tools and be provided with hundreds of pre-built connectors that automate repetitive, mundane tasks, giving your team the time they need to focus on what's important. Boost efficiency by recording and visualizing your end-to-end processes with the Process Advisor, providing guided recommendation for creating flows and deep insight that takes the guesswork out of what you even need to automate. Make your own automation with high intelligence using the AI Builder. This will allow for the system to quickly process forms using documentation automation, process approvals, detect images and text, or create with pre-built models that are provided to you. Power Virtual Agents is the newest addition to the Power Platform that provides a no-code interface that allows your business to create chatbots with ease. These chatbots can be displayed in Microsoft Teams, on a SharePoint intranet, in individual Power apps, and potentially across other areas of your digital workspace. Bot makers and teams of all levels of technical abilities, from subject matter experts to professional developers, can now collaboratively build intelligent, powerful bots to create customer continuation and adding it to Power Virtual Agents to host and run. The baseline of Power Virtual Agents is a powerful authoring canvas that allows for non-IT minded people to begin building bots with simplicity. With an intuitive interface, making a bot for your business level needs is now a realistic option. The interface is designed to walk you through the steps, do simple drag and drop additions, with the luxury of having the bot open on the screen for real-time testing purposes. The authoring process is quite simple. Let's say you're designing a bot to answer questions that will be hosted on your intranet. Within Power Virtual Agents, you define a list of topics that you want the bot to answer questions about. For example, one of these might be address, so users can query the various branch locations. Ideally, your bot will have multiple topics that are defined within the Power Virtual Agents. Each topic will have a list of defined trigger phrases that will indicate a response from the bot. Here, the matching trigger phrase is based on a percentage score, so the matching doesn't need to be exact, but you are able to add multiple trigger phrases for each topic. From each trigger phrase, you can then define each step of the bot and the related conditions. There are several options for each step, including the ability to display a message and answer a question, or provide options for further clarity. This is called branching, where you can give different options dependent on the responses from the user. For example, the bot could ask a question, which branch address would you like? And offer 5 choices with a defined response for each choice. The system also includes some nifty features to ensure a closed loop, such as calls to action, workflows that leverage Power Automate, retrieve information from different systems, including your SharePoint lists, and the ability to transfer to another topic within the tool. This means you can use the tool to create bots that help your team complete transactions, log an IT support ticket, or request annual leave. With Power Virtual Agents, you'll reap the benefits of a platform built with both the developer and end user in mind, such as creating and managing those powerful chatbots without the need for code or artificial intelligence experts. You're able to do this thanks to the system's easy-to-use graphic interface. You can easily integrate your chatbot with the products you use every single day. Look up records, personalize your conversations, and call on APIs. The system gives you the option to choose from hundreds of pre-built connectors, or you can build your own custom workflows using Power Automate. And for more complex scenarios, you can take advantage of the Microsoft Bot Framework application. With virtual agents, you can get suggestions on which topics to build based off of your data set, create rich personalized conversations using natural language understanding and entity extraction, and monitor and improve your chatbot's performance using artificial intelligence and data-driven insights. One consistent theme across all 4 applications we just quickly went over within the Power Platform is the low-code or no-code approach to technology, which effectively opens up the potential use of each tool to non-IT professionals. Although all 4 tools within the Power Platform are separate, they work most powerfully together. More value is generated when the tools are combined, providing simplicity that you can count on. Enjoy seamless integration between the Power Platform applications, as well as enhance your Microsoft stack with dual integration. Watch your team thrive while working with intuitive interfaces that empower them to continually grow your business through technological advancements. And take comfort in knowing that not only do the platforms provide you with access to simple and existing data connectors, but also a variety of popular platform elements and templates so you can hit the ground running. To summarize, the Microsoft Power Platform truly lives up to its name of power. Power of informed decision-making, power of innovation, power of automating repetitive daily tasks, power of AI communications. For you and your team, one cohesive solution, the Power Platform.